Look who it is! Hey! Yeah, what's up? Jeez! Is that so funny? I didn't get gas and shit. And fisherman's friends. Nice. Look at this guy. Woo! Oh, yeah. Long drive.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Sheesh.
Yo, we're back. Back in the shack, baby. That's beautiful. This man's real best friend right there.
I'm gonna turn it down a bit. Yeah. Gonna get the cops called.
What are we playing here? Felt nice and chill, man. Felt nice and chill. Let's play that chill down music one more time. Oh yeah, you already fucking know what it is. Woo! Yo, they didn't have sesame seeds, so I had to get everything. Still good, but not as good. This shit bussin'. Oh, yo, do you want to say happy birthday to Morgan on camera?
Happy birthday, Morgan!
Happy birthday, Morgan.
You're old. It's two buddies and their drinks. That shit bussin'.
Bogey and a coffee, man. What's in there?
Yummy, yummy. Milk, milk, milk. Milky, milky.
Say hi, Whitney. Yeah, boy!
Yeah.
Cookie.
Okay, when I do that thing, it doesn't really sound. Oh, yeah, you're moving slow, so I'll probably have to mess around.
Okay, let's try it again. Let's see if my strings hold out. Should we just go for it? Yep. Okay. That's really naughty.
Oh my god.
I'm trying to cover all of us with your hair, eh? What's
Yeah,
it?
dude. Ah! Let me do that last
Another day, another fucking donut. Don't judge me. I'm embarrassed. That's it, bussin'.
So fire, dude.
Oh yeah, eating that oxtail, eh?
Oh my god.
Yummy, yummy.
So let's get in on the da-da-da-da-da.
Oh yeah. Yeah! Bye, Trav. Have a good drive. Tell Morgan to say happy birthday. Be careful. Bye, buddy. Oh! Yo! Just finished unloading, finally at home. We just wrapped up our session. Fuck. You don't know how happy I am. Like, whoo! I feel like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders. Just stoked on these new songs. I'm really excited. I wish I could tell you more about it, but some new tunes are on the way. Thanks so much for watching this shit vlog, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers. Love you.